How to make money as a record company, part 5. This one is toys and products. I've said this on a YouTube channel so long ago, I forgot the video it was, but I mentioned a company called Toy Book. It's a book full of manufacturers that sell toys to retailers, right? And you can find your manufacturers in there to maybe craft some toys and products for you, right? So what is this going to do for your record label? Well, one thing is we have to take advantage of our likeness, all right, to create the copy of the caricature of you or whatever if you want to create a doll or stuffy, whatever you want to create. What you need to do is trademark your slogans that you have, any ad-libs or any sayings that you do on social media or whatnot, and then you copyright the sound of those slogans just in case you want to use it in a doll or a plushie or a push toy or whatever you want to do. This will allow us to really exploit the copyrights and pull in another revenue stream with this. Now, if you don't do this, you lose a revenue stream, but it's not going to kill you. This is something that could really make some extra revenue for the artist and for the label itself. So remember, the whole thing is we're going to take the likeness. We're going to create a doll or a plushie. We're going to create a copy. That's what likeness is. All right. And then we're going to trademark the slogans and we're going to copyright the sound recording of those slogans just in case of how we want to use it. We're going to create this toy. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to create an extra stream of income for the label and the artist. And remember, we're going to beat the house and make more money, more power, and more respect, okay? If you make music, you should make money. So follow for more music business tips. And visit musicmoneymakeover.com.